आंगन में पले बड़े हमारे टॉप बॉलीवुड स्टार्स कंफर्टेबल होते हैं अपने ही जैसे फिल्मी लाइफ पार्टनर्स के साथ, चाहे वो जोड़ी हो ऐश्वर्या अभिषेक की, अक्षय कुमार एंड ट्विंकल खन्ना या अजय देवगन एंड काजोल की। These big Bollywood stars have been quite predictable in carrying out their band baja barat and tying the knot within the glamorous film industry. पर देखा जाए तो ज्यादातर स्टार्स ऐसे हैं जो बॉलीवुड में रंग रलियां मनाने के बाद शादी करते हैं विद नॉन बॉलीवुड पीपल, यानी कि इंडस्ट्री के बाहर। लारा दत्ता की तो लव लाइफ ही रही है कलरफुल, इवन इफ शी ऑलवेज एंगेज्ड हरसेल्फ विद स्ट्रगलर्स। कभी केली तो कभी डिनो मोरिया। लारा ऐसे ही हमेशा गुमशुदा लोगों को घास डालती आई हैं। देखा जाए तो लारा दत्ता और केली डॉर्जी के 12 साल लंबे रिश्ते में भी आ गया अर्थक्वेक। अपेरेंटली केली को हो गया था लारा और डिनो मोरिया के रिश्ते पर शक, और ये शक सही निकला बिकॉज लारा लेफ्ट केली फॉर हिज बेस्ट फ्रेंड डिनो मोरिया। देन लारा ने कर दिया सबको शॉक बाय मैरिंग टेनिस सेंसेशन महेश भूपति, हु हैड नो कनेक्शन विद बॉलीवुड। और महेश का फिल्मी दुनिया से दूर दूर तक कोई वास्ता नहीं है। अब हम ये अंदाजा तो लगा ही सकते हैं कि लारा ने ऐसा क्यों किया। The bold and practical Lara decided to settle for a well-established guy like Mahesh Bhupati, avoiding further experimentation and confusion. Shilpa Shetty has always been a hot favorite with the grapevine, thanks to her involvement with Akshay Kumar. दुनिया को पता था about Shilpa and Akshay's sizzling hot romance, which soon became cold after Akshay ने कर दिया उनका पोपट और डेट करना शुरू कर दिया उन्हीं की फ्रेंड ट्विंकल खन्ना को। अक्षय एंड शिल्पा के थे गली गली चर्चे, पर अपेरेंटली अक्षय की थी दिल्ली चाहत कि उनकी वुड बी वाइफ एक्टिंग क्विट कर दे, एंड ऑफ कोर्स दैट कुडंट हैपन विद शिल्पा। तो उन्होंने कर दिया शिल्पा को खफा और जल्दी ही अपनी लाइफ से तफा। शिल्पा फिर अपेरेंटली इन्वॉल्व हो गई विद द डायरेक्टर अनुभव सिन्हा, पर शिल्पा ने ये रिश्ता रखा हश हश। एक्सक्यूज मी, पर शिल्पा इश्क छुपता नहीं छुपाने से। एंड लेटर अ फ्रेंड ऑफ शेट्टी कंफर्म दैट शी वाज इन लव विद सिन्हा, बट पेरेंट्स ने नहीं किया इस रिश्ते को अप्रूव क्योंकि अनुभव थे 2 बच्चों के बाप। बस फिर क्या, शिल्पा फिल्मी लोगों से लगता है थक और हार ही गई। Next up, we have lip lock star Imran Hashmi, जो समझे जाते थे Casanova because of his चुम्मा चाटी with various Bollywood actresses. लेकिन इमरान ने शादी की परवीन सहानी से। इमरान कहते हैं कि she is a total non-filmy, homely and traditional girl, जो surprisingly थी एक प्री-स्कूल टीचर। Frankly, ये इमेज तो किसिंग स्टार इमरान के चरित्रहीन इमेज से बिल्कुल मेल नहीं खाती। तो इमरान के इस स्टेप ने लगा दिया था सबको झटका, क्योंकि परवीन is in stark contrast with his bad boy image in the Bollywood industry. इमरान loves the fact that परवीन इज नॉन फिल्मी, और उनका रिलेशनशिप सक्सेसफुल ही परवीन के नॉन फिल्मी बैकग्राउंड होने से है। क्योंकि शी इज अवे फ्रॉम द ग्लैमर वर्ल्ड, तो वो कर सकते हैं परवीन के कैरेक्टर पर पूरा भरोसा। वेल, ये तो वही बात हुई कि तुम करो तो रास लीला और हम करें तो कैरेक्टर ढीला। इस कैटेगरी में विवेक ओबरॉय हैं हमारे अगले महारथी। आफ्टर हिज बिटर ब्रेकअप विद ऐश्वर्या राय और ढेर सारी कंट्रोवर्सीज के बाद विवेक के पेरेंट्स ने प्रियंका आल्वा, हु हेल्स फ्रॉम बैंगलोर पॉलिटिकल फैमिली, से करवा दी शादी। ऐश्वर्या ने सरेआम विवेक को दिया धोखा, तो आखिर बेचारा दिल क्या करता। विवेक लगता है फिल्मी गर्ल से डर ही गए। माधुरी दीक्षित का भी संजय दत्त के साथ था एक लंबा रिलेशनशिप। There were other link-ups too with other filmy guys, but eventually उन्होंने की arranged marriage with an Indian American guy. कनिका राजपूत, पेज 3 मुंबई। तो ये स्टार शादी बाहर क्यों कर लेते हैं, इस बात को अब हम करेंगे एनालाइज, बट फॉर दैट वी हैव टू स्टार्ट पार्टी शादी विद पेज 3 पायनियर एंड बी टाउन एक्सपर्ट सिमी चंदोक। सिमी, वेलकम टू द शो।
हाय सुप्रीत।
तो सिमी, एनआरआई में ऐसी क्या अट्रैक्शन है कि सारे बॉलीवुड स्टार्स वहीं भागते हैं?
I don't think सारे वहाँ भागते हैं, जिसको जो जहाँ मिलता है वो वहाँ चले जाते हैं. So it's probably, I think you're talking about Shilpa and Madhuri, right? I just watched the story. It's about who is eligible. तो कहीं NRIs तो कहीं नहीं. इनकी किस्मत में NRIs लिखे थे तो इन्हें मिल गए.
Simi, you and diplomatic does not suit you at all. Give us gossip, give us answers. Why?
No, I'm not being diplomatic here, but they've probably been through their share of troubled relationships, controversies, and probably emotional pain. I know I don't want to sound like a shrink, and you don't like it when I sound nice to them, do you?
Defeats the purpose.
Coming back to the girls, Shilpa went through her share of relationships and her share of heartbreak with Akshay Kumar. बहुत बार दिल तोड़ा उन्होंने, है ना? Yes. But she went through her pain with Akshay Kumar. She tried her other relationships with directors and whatever. It probably didn't work out, and then Raj Kundra happened to her, and it's not like it was easy for her. He was married, so it's not she settled for the first eligible bachelor she got. She had to again try and make that relationship work, and she did. She did work on it. So I think she put in a lot of effort in this relationship, and it's probably well-deserved now. But did she have a choice?
Yeah, I mean, this was Shilpa after her heartbreak. She went abroad. What about the Dhak Dhak girl?
The Dhak Dhak girl, well, her heart stopped doing Dhak Dhak for Sanjay Dutt once he went to jail, and then I think she didn't want to take any risks because it's like anything can happen in Bollywood. She did the smartest thing, get married to an Seedha, Sada, boring, non-controversial, typically mechanical, predictable NRI doctor. What can go wrong?
तो वो यहाँ भी हो सकता है ना? Why the NRI?
यहाँ पे जो उनको डॉक्टर्स मिलेंगे या नॉन बॉलीवुड पीपल मिलेंगे वो सब पहले मैगजीन्स में पढ़ चुके होंगे, तो फिर यू नो हस्बैंड पूछ सकता है, डिड यू एंड सुभाष का, डिड यू एंड संजय दत्त, वहाँ पे that poor guy is sitting there for the last 25 years, 20 years, born there, who knows? He may not know that much, and she can always blame the press.
So we know कि वो controversy से.
Well, I wasn't being mean today, okay? I was just probably joking, borderline. So let's move on to the next star.
Coming back to Akshay, he married a Bollywood girl.
See, again, there was a very good reason for him to do that. Besides the fact that he may have fallen in love with her, he needed to belong to a filmy khandan. And what could have been better than Rajesh Khanna's daughter? Perfect combination. Dimple Kapadia, Rajesh Khanna, and he ended up with the film legacy. If you know what I mean, he was no longer an outsider. Even if he was a star, whatever, he was suddenly part of a Bollywood family. So it makes sense.
And what about Lara Datta? She's kind of kept it in India, but not in the family.
Don't you think that's the smartest thing she could do? Mahesh Bhupati, he's probably a bigger star than any of these Bollywood stars. He has the fame, he has the success, he has the money. He still has a few more years to go with his career. Unlike somebody else she would have married here who probably done and, you know, finished with their career. So it was a very, very smart move to fall in love with him.
So does a sports star bring more emotional security than a Bollywood star, you would say?
No, I think she'll probably have the same number of advantages and disadvantages with Mahesh Bhupati, because if you think about the fact that they can cheat on you and they're more prone to meeting girls, well, that's going to happen. Lara can say that there are no tennis stars who are not attractive. I did see that in an interview of hers. The fact is that if you're a sports star like Mahesh Bhupati or say like a Leander Paes, so you're going to get as many women throwing themselves on you as probably any of the Khans or anybody else in this industry. So as far as the emotional stability is concerned, it's each to his own, and they can be faithful while being in Bollywood, which is hard, but it's the same risk that she's probably taken with a sports star. And as far as the money is concerned and the fame is concerned, I think it's the same game.
और Imran Hashmi का क्या?
I think he probably said it, that the most attractive thing about his wife, Parveen, was the fact that she was not a Bollywood person. And don't forget that he's not from a very big Bollywood background himself. He may have some tang poonch kahin adi hui, but other than that, he was probably looking for his comfort zone. He didn't want competition. He did not want insecurity. So it's like right now, Imran is the star, and he has a nice, homely wife who's sitting at home, and he doesn't need to worry about anything. No insecurity, nothing to worry कि अब बीवी की film flop होगी तो उसका mood कैसा होगा. Nothing. He's very comfortable.
Do you think Vivek Oberoi took the same route somewhere?
Did he have a choice, poor guy? You should be happy. He ended up with a nice family and somebody like Priyanka. So I'm really happy for him. Congratulations.